Hello there. If you've ever dealt with sensitive documents, whether you're a translator, editor, quality analyst, or project manager, you know how important it is to control who sees what. Especially when it comes to metadata like author names, commenters, and reviewers. That's exactly what this application, the TWAS Anonymizer, is designed to help you with. Let me walk you through how it works and why it could be a game changer for your workflow. You now see the application on screen. You'll see a clean, dark-themed interface with our logo at the top. Right away, you can tell this tool is built for professionals who value both privacy and efficiency. Why this tool exists? Now, let's talk about why you might need this. Scenario 1. You're a vendor working with translation agencies or language service providers. They don't want your name visible to their end client, it's part of their confidentiality agreement. With this application, you can replace your name with something neutral like client_editor or client_reviewer, keeping your involvement invisible. Scenario 2. You outsource part of your work to a colleague. You don't want their name appearing in the document when you deliver it to your client. This tool lets you batch replace their name across all files so you maintain a single point of contact. Scenario 3. You're reviewing a colleague's work or doing a third-part review, but you don't want them to feel embarrassed or called out if they see your name in the comments. You can anonymize your feedback so the review stays constructive, not personal. Let's see it in action. First, click Select Input Folder. I'll choose a folder containing PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint files. The app scans all supported files and extracts every unique author name it finds, whether from PDF comments, Word track changes, Excel review comments, or PowerPoint notes. Now look here in the list, we see all the author names it found. You can select which ones you want to change. Maybe I want to replace Sameh Raghab and author but keep admin. In the text box below, I'll enter the new name I want to use, let's say client_QA_team. Then, click Start Anonymizing. The app processes every file in the folder and even in subfolders. It creates a new folder called Anonymized and saves updated copies there, leaving your originals untouched. For PDFs, it updates comment authors. For Office files, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, it does the same in a programmatic way. Now, here's what makes this tool special. Batch processing. You can anonymize hundreds of files in one go. No more opening each document, going into Properties, and changing names manually. Selective replacement. You choose which names to change. You're not wiping everything. You're in full control. Office file support. Did you know that Microsoft's Inspect document tool removes all user data at once? You can't pick and choose. And you certainly can't batch it. With this app, you can. Non-destructive. Your original files stay safe. The app creates anonymized copies, so you always have a fallback. Whether you're protecting client confidentiality, managing outsourced work, or just keeping internal reviews anonymous, this tool gives you the precision and scale you need. It's built for professionals who handle sensitive documents regularly, and who don't have time for manual, repetitive tasks. So next time you need to clean up authorship metadata across a whole project folder, remember, it doesn't have to be a chore. Thank you for watching, and here's to smoother, safer document workflows.